welcome back to another video for part 2, making cornflakes. You can put this in the blender. Stick that in there. But I'm going to use the cornflakes and the honey. Cornflakes and honey. This is going to be very yummy and tasty. So open the cornflakes. Get the pair of scissors. I might put this in. And now for the honey. Honey. That I will use. So this is quick and smart way to do it. You don't put it right on the thing, otherwise this will actually stick and melt. Melt. Just close to the heat. To this nutty honey. Okay, that will do. There we go, you can see. So, yeah, you can see it's sort of like that. Gooey. Need a bit more honey. So basically a tablespoon. I got honey on my hands. I don't know, we'll see. Music in the kitchen.
Noisy. There we go.
This is how you make honey crackles. I mean, cornflake crackles. Honey cornflake crackles.
That's it.
You do it with my hand. That bit the honey away.
Alrighty.
Alright.
It's done.
Yep.
You want to chuck it in there now?
Yep. There we go. See there. Might do 4, I think.
4?
Well, depends how much we have
Left. I'll try and... That's enough for that one. 3.
Enough for 3. We can tea.
Sorry.
No. You're good.
Do we put any more or just put them on top? Like one more?
Oh.
Nope.
I knew we were going to make 4. You know what you can do? Half that and
Put some more in this one.
yeah.
Excuse me, a little bit too much. There we go. That's
Cornflake crackles. Now we put it in the fridge to set. Don't eat those.
Bye bye. Do you want to put the whole tray in?
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Into it goes. 24 hours. And then it's set.
Ooh. Let me in. Right. I'll wash this.
Yep. And then the container. Got the container. That will do. And fun with it. But we have to find the lid. There it is. Where's the lid?
Be up there.
Nope.
Oh.
I'm trying to find a lid for that container.
Oh no. Bring it back. This one. Oh, wait.
Oh,
Red or... There's a red one, try that one. If not, there's a black one. Yep.
there we go. And into the pantry. Right at the back. There we go. Guess I'll see you later tonight. Or in the morning. We'll see what happens. Peace.